In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create navigation buttons in PDFs using Adobe Acrobat, which is a great way to make your documents more user-friendly. When setting up navigation in PDFs, it's essential to first decide on where you'd like to place your buttons and how you'd like them to look. Think about which pages you plan to link to, like the first page, next page, previous page, last page, or even custom jumps to specific sections. You can prepare simple button graphics or use clear text labels depending on your preference and the design of your document. Now let's dive into the process. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Head over to the Tools menu and select Prepare Form. This feature enables the form editing toolbar, allowing you to add button fields wherever needed within your document. Once you're in the Prepare Form toolbar, choose the button option. It's represented by a rectangle icon. Draw your button on the page where you've decided it should go. Name your button something descriptive in the button properties, something like Go First Page or Go Next Page. This not only helps you stay organized, but also makes it clear for anyone else who might work on the document in the future. With your button created, you'll need to configure its action. In the Button Properties dialog, navigate to the Actions tab. Here you'll select the action type. You have a couple of choices: go to a page view or execute JavaScript. For example, if you're creating standard page navigation buttons, such as those for going to first or last pages, select Go to a page view, click Set Action or Add, and then navigate to the desired page view within the document. Once there, click Set to confirm your selection. Alternatively, if you wish to implement simple next or previous behavior with a bit more technical flair, opt for Execute JavaScript. For a next page button, you would enter the script this.pagenum plus 1, while for a previous page button, you'd input this.pagenum1. Remember, using JavaScript requires turning on JavaScript support in Acrobat, and bear in mind that some viewers manage JavaScript differently. Once your action is set, you may want to customize the appearance of your button. Use the Appearance tab to adjust things like border color, fill color, text font, and size. Then add a tooltip in the Options tab to describe the button's action, a great accessibility feature to help all users. To deploy the same navigation buttons across multiple pages, simply copy and paste your button as needed. The Prepare Form panels list will help you manage these easily, and you can tweak actions if any adjustments are required. Finally, thoroughly test your navigation buttons. Exit the Prepare Form mode and try out each button to ensure they're directing you to the right pages. Don't forget to test in different PDF viewers, especially if your audience might use various software, since JavaScript support can vary. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials.